We are just gonna go to Crown Casino and
We're
we're
going to the
waiting.
tram.
We're gonna ride a
Tram.
tram. So we're still waiting 4 minutes. Tram will be here soon. This is it.
This stop is Ferndale Street. Stop 60.
Stop 60. 96.
Please make sure you're off the steps, otherwise we can't move.
Stay there a sec and hold on. Oh, see?
It's gonna take forever.
Huh?
It's gonna take forever.
You're holding on. Eh?
So I was at
Next stop, College.
We're riding a tram. Look. No. Stand up there. Wait. Zoe! No. What are you riding, Zoe?
Stop 100.
Huh?
No, not yet.
We're gonna stop in the market.
The same market.
The market?
Same.
No.
Oh, this is
Stop
funny.
Unfortunately guys, yung nasakyan naming tram ay wrong way. Kaya napunta kami doon sa pinakamalayo. Hindi namin alam wrong way pala yun. So we're going back to the city and it takes us 28 minutes wasted. We are supposed to ride a tram but we went on the wrong tram and now we're chasing that different tram. We're gonna go to the Federation Square but we don't know which tram we're taking, so let's go! There's siya, miss. Nabati ko ni kayo. So, nandito na kami sa tram at I hope this is the right one or else we're gonna be walking. So, ito yung tram nila. This is a free one. So, we will stop at Flinders Street. So, yan siya. So, this one, public free tram. We will just go to Federation Square. So, this is how it looks like. This is more of the old fashion tram, not like the new ones.